Hi, this is Mateus Silva, and I will be going over my portion of the projects. I am the UI and UX design and the team manager as well. This is the IT crowd, and we are working on the Georgia Nonprofits website. So, a little bit about us. We are a team working on the project, Georgia Nonprofits, with our client, Jasmine Alvarez. Our team is Michaela Adams. She's the code architecture, documentation lead as well. Sandy Ali, which is the database modeler and testing lead. And then myself, Mateus Silva, the UI and UX design and team manager. So a little bit about the project. So the idea behind the project is to build a website that allows anyone to search nonprofit organizations within the Gwinnett County area. May that be people who are in need, needing to access the nonprofit organizations, or just people who want to volunteer at these organizations throughout the county. My first role. So as a UI and UX design lead, I'll be working with the website will be looking like and how the users are going to interact with it. So the code, the color for it, and all the interactions between the user and making it user friendly. This is a small display of what our website will possibly look like. This is a little design. My second role is a team manager. So some of our requirements will be to add a map for viewing the locations where all the organizations are within the county. The user has to be able to access the information of the organizations. User has to be able to see the detailed information, for example, the phone number of the organization, the address, and then if a link to a website when they click on the organization. And the user has to be able to navigate through the website easily, so they don't have to have extreme computer skills to be able to go through the website. Our plan, we plan to present and sit down with the client to show the design prototype that we have done, and to see if the client wants to add or remove anything. We plan to start working on coding within the next 2 weeks, if not after spring break. We plan to learn a bit of more about Angular as we progress through the project, as we are reusing Angular, and we plan to communicate, to keep communication up as possible, just to make sure that we're all on the same page, including the client as well. The Agile team, our team is very dynamic. We have different strengths and weaknesses. But they end up backing on each other. So each one of us has a weakness that the other one has a strength in. So we end up helping each other out in that area. As we grow as a team, we are going to meet up as much as possible as the semester progresses, to make sure that the ball is rolling with the project, and also meet up with the client as much as we can on the client's time, of course. We scheduled to as our schedules are a little bit hard to work with. We have pretty varying schedules. We'll try to accommodate as much as possible as we go along the project route. And that's about me. Again, I am the UI and UX design and team manager. We will be keeping everything up to date in our Jira as well, and making sure that all our commits and pushes are up to date on our GitHub as well. Thank you.